Hey, Callie, you drinking your milk? What a good kitty.
Good kitty.
Very neat. Oh, and she can do it with
double
both
dipper.
paws.
What a good girl.
She's putting on a show.
Oh, how sweet.
Doesn't want to put
What
that.
a good kitty. Get some more. Go ahead, sweetheart. Get some more milk.
So clean, Daddy.
She's very clean. She can't stand to be dirty. Try it again. Get some more. Oh, yes. Oh, my God. That's sweet. Now press stop and see what you got.
No, I just want to watch her do it a little longer.
Oh, she's so sweet.
I love that she double dipped.
Oh, God, she's sweet. Let's see.
Bye, sweetie. Calliope, did you finish it? Oh, there is still a little left. Oh, my goodness. You are just so busy. Callie, I love you. Look up at Mommy. Callie. Callie. Calliope. Calliope. That's my good girl. Look at those Mommy. Calliope Catherine. Callie. All done? Huh? Calliope? You are adorable. Look at Mommy. Look, 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 look. Callie. Mommy's going to have to take drastic action. Let's see. Look up here. Callie girl. Yes. Your paws ready? Okay. Here you go.